Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade pickles. First, gather your fresh, firm cucumbers, ideally 4 to 6 inches in length. Next, prepare your pickling brine, which is a simple mixture of vinegar, water, and pickling salt. Finally, you will tightly pack your cucumbers into clean, sterilized glass jars, ready for the brine. This process ensures a crisp and delicious result every time. Creating the perfect brine is key to great pickles. A common and effective ratio is combining 1 part vinegar with 1 part water. Remember to use pickling salt, as iodized table salt can make your brine cloudy. For classic flavor, consider adding 2 cloves of fresh garlic and 1 teaspoon of dill seeds to each jar. You can also experiment with other spices like mustard seeds or peppercorns. Properly packing and sealing your jars is crucial for food safety and preservation. Begin by sterilizing your glass jars and lids in boiling water for at least 10 minutes. When filling, ensure you leave 1/2 inch of headspace between the brine and the rim of the jar. Finally, process the filled jars in a boiling water bath for 10 to 15 minutes, depending on your jar size. Once your pickles are made, patience is a virtue. Allow them to cure for at least 2 to 3 weeks to develop their full flavor before you taste them. Store your sealed jars in a cool, dark pantry where they can last for up to 1 year. After opening, always refrigerate your pickles and aim to consume them within 1 to 2 months for the best quality and taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.